For this problem, we are given a singly linked list of integers, and we must find if the list is a palindrome. So an example of this is an input of 1, 2, 3, 2, 1. The output would be true. Thinking about solving this is with a stack. So I'd find the count of the list, put the first half of the list in a stack, and the second half pop if it's the same. If it's not the same, then we would return false. So with the 1, 2, 3, 2, 1, the count is 5. We would divide that by 2. If it is odd, we'd have to skip over the middle node. Odd, skip middle. Because that would be the same. Okay, so we would put 1 in the stack, 2 in the stack, skip over 3. Is 2 the same as 2? It is. So we would pop. Is 1 the same as 1? Yes. Now we're at the bottom of the stack, so we'd return true. Okay, so we're returning a Boolean. We're taking in a linked list of integers called list. I created a stack called checker and a Boolean for the result. We have a count, which is equal to the count of the list, which if that isn't allowed, we just loop through to get the count. We have a pointer at the head, and so first we're going to go through the first half of the list to add it to the stack. So we're looping through. Then we're going to check whether or not if it's an odd or even number. If it is, we're just going to skip over that middle by moving the pointer to the next one. Then we're going to loop through the second half of the list. We're going to check if the data in the stack is equal to the data in the node at the pointer. If it is, then we're going to pop it, and we are going to move the pointer. If it's not, we'll return false, which is the result, which is the Boolean default. Otherwise, we'll reset. If we go through and we've popped everything, then the result is equal to true, and we're returning the result. Our time for this would be 2n, because the count would have to go through each element once, and our this loop goes through the first half, this loop goes through the second half, so that would be n as well. And our space would be an additional n divided by 2, because we're going to be storing half of the numbers in our new stack.